People live on the beautiful and unique planet Earth with its flora and fauna. The intense activity of people on creation of welfare necessary for human come at huge energy consumption and leads to irreversible adverse ecological impact. Recently, humanity comes across with such challenges as climate change, air pollution, water supply deficit, deforestation. These problems have global nature. Everyone uses electric energy. Where does it come from? Nowadays, more than 80% of energy is produced from non-renewable sources. My activity on developing the ways of generation of electric energy from wind energy application is directed at finding solutions for some of that challenges and problems of the modern world. This way is admitted to be the safest and the most forward-looking in comparison with others. It can have a positive impact on the development of energetics in future. Let's consider the main principles of the technology now. to make a step into the future. That expression of the experts of the International Forum Technoprom gave the start to the discussion. There is an analogous building, Pearl River Tower, in China, but they provide themselves with 10% of energy. We do 200. It is a great discovery of yours. It needs developing. I think it is a forward-looking line of business. You will definitely get support of the experts who understand what it is and how it can be useful in urban construction, architecture, energy supply, in solving some global technical problems of the modern world. My congratulations, Denise. There is an opening idea which is very well to make a wind stream come inside in the wind stream which flows around the building, which is constructed in a special way, when wherever the wind blows from the wind stream would get into the wind turbine. The rotation passes to the machines and the energy is generated. I am always excited to discuss interesting projects. Keep it up, that is my advice. Keep it up.
Спасибо.
Now everyone has the opportunity to become a co-owner of the company. You can purchase company shares only on the official website. Zero carbon energetically era starts with WETER project.